Well, here we're looking at the down. We see a very strong move here, continuing to break out from the uh, prior couple days over this 17,350 level. We talked about this probably going into this range, into the 500, 600 range. I do think we see this continue drive even a little higher here, maybe to 17,750 around there, maybe 17,800. But I think we're getting closer to where we're going to start to see this hesitate a little bit, as it's had a very good run, and we're getting closer to that. But we've seen some strong momentum here, which was very, very crucial in this rally back. It had to kind of get rid of some of what we were seeing as far as the longer term divergence, and I think we're seeing that, which is very, very important. Obviously, as you see these prior tops, you don't want to see each time it goes up higher, you don't want to see this lower momentum, and that was my initial concern. We saw a pretty good snapback, which means we'll probably see this run a little further here. But on the shorter term, I think it's had a pretty good move. Probably have, a couple more days, and then we start to see this starting to weaken. As you look on the 60-minute, still has some pretty good momentum compared to some of the other indexes. We're seeing this kind of slow a little bit as it's been in divergence, as it's been driving a little higher here. And when we go into, say, even a 30-minute, we could see that that's still the case here, as we see not the same momentum here, but it's still driving higher. So traders need to watch for over the next 2 days, Friday or Monday, the prices hitting those target ranges, say 17,750, 17,800 as possible targets. I think. I think 18,000 is going to be a very difficult task to beat, and to break over, or to hit as far as a target. Doesn't mean we can't hit it, but I think that would be really, in my opinion, really where we really stall overall, and I don't think we go much higher from there. So that'd be a long-term major target in my mind, and very, very difficult to break.